So more folks on the street are starting to kind of turn more bearish now that it's run up so much, and that starts the conversation about it going into the S&P 500. But again, a lot of this has been priced in, hasn't it?
Yeah, look, I think the profitability is going to be touch and go. We've got them at a little bit of a loss, but that's hard to call, and they could. But I would submit that at a $300 billion market cap, probably people have figured that out already.
What up, everyone? It's your boy Dio from FunCloud.com. Guys, today I'm going to be discussing the S&P 500 index exclusion. I mean, Tesla does not make the list. Companies like Etsy, get into this list, except Tesla. So, according to this news from Reuters, this is the news from 3 days ago. And Tesla shares, they are saying Tesla tumbled 7% in extended trade on Friday after the electric car maker was excluded from a group of companies being held to the S&P 500. Among them is Etsy, whose stock market value is less than a 20th of Tesla. I mean, Etsy market value is 14 billion US dollars, guys. Yes, 14 billion. So, according to Reuters, the decision by S&P Dow Jones Indices is a blow to Tesla investors who widely expected the company to join the benchmark stock index after a blockbuster quarterly report in July cleared a major hurdle for its potential inclusion. I mean, according to the law of S&P Dow Jones Indices, if you are able to report like 4 quarters, profitable quarters, then you qualify to make the list. So Tesla, on the other hand, of course, reported 4 consecutive quarters of profitable quarters, and we were all sure Tesla was going to be included in this index. But unfortunately, they didn't choose Tesla last month, and this month also is the same thing. So what did they do instead? S&P Dow Jones Indices said in a statement it was adding online craft seller Etsy, semiconductor equipment maker Teradyne, and pharmaceutical technology company Catalent. I mean, Etsy has a market value of 14.18 billion US dollars, and the semiconductor equipment maker Teradyne has a market value of 13 billion US dollars, and the pharmaceutical technology company Catalent has a market value of 14 billion US dollars. If I was Elon Musk, I would just buy all these 3 companies and then I'm automatically into the S&P 500 index. This is a joke, right? I mean, we're all waiting for this. I mean, since July, after Tesla reported a profitable second quarter, for example, I was 100% sure by this time of the year, I mean, in September, Tesla would have been included into this S&P 500 bullshit list. I mean, Tesla does not really need S&P 500. S&P needs Tesla. I mean, come on. Tesla is the most valuable car company in the world, and they've reported 4 profitable quarters. So I don't know what is wrong with this committee that selects companies that are supposed to be included in this index. I don't know what's wrong with these guys. I don't know why they're not choosing Tesla. I have no idea. So the news continues. Shares of Etsy jumped 6% in extended trade. Teradyne rose 2%, and Catalent added 2%. If that was Tesla would jump like 20%, The positive thing about this index is that whenever a company is added to the index, all these institutional investors, funds and stuff, they are forced to buy the stock of that such company. So, yeah, after Tesla announced the 5-to-1 stock split, I mean, this was everyone knows this is also part of this index game. If Tesla was trading at $2,500, it will look too expensive for retail investors or all these institutional investors. So now that the stock is below $500 US, I think Tesla is very ripe. I don't know why they are not included now. Maybe we have to wait till next month, guys. But Tesla needs to make this list. If not, we have to buy these 3 companies. If you add them together, they're not even up to 60 billion US dollars. Tesla is worth about almost 400 billion US dollars, the market cap. So, yeah. And Reuters continues. S&P Dow Jones Indices senior index analyst Howard Silverblatt declined to say why Tesla was not added to the S&P 500, which is tracked by index fund with at least 4.4 trillion in assets. This is complete Dog shit, guys. So they were saying because the only reason why Tesla is not, I mean, so last month, all these bearish analysts, Tesla BS, they were arguing that the only reason why Tesla announced a profitable second quarter was because Tesla made some money from fiat, from this emission credit. Because last year, Fiat Chrysler Automobile struck $1 billion deal with Tesla to count the Silicon Valley automakers' cars as part of its fleet in the European Union. And that helps Fiat to lower the average emissions output, ahead of the strict new EU regulations that is going to come in 2021. So Tesla will make hundreds of millions of euros from the sale of these emissions credits. So now these bearish analysts are like, the only reason why Tesla was profitable was because Tesla is getting money from fiat because of this emission credit. So this is their argument. Maybe it's possible that that's why S&P 500 committees don't want to include Tesla. But we'll see, guys. If Tesla is going to report third quarter earnings in next month. So this month is for the battery day, on September 22nd. I think the third quarter report is going to be between 20 or 25th of October. So we just have to wait, guys. And the first 2 weeks of October, of course, they're going to report the delivery numbers. So hopefully that's going to be profitable also, and it's going to be positive. Positive. And when they report third quarter earning, let's see what's going to happen. Let's see how much emission credits is going to be included in the third quarter. I am not doing a lot of numbers in this channel, but I think I will start share some numbers with you guys because I have my own numbers as well. So Tesla BS, they are saying there's a looming competition from Porsche and General Motors and other longer established rivals. They are also skeptical of Tesla's corporate governance under chief executive Elon Musk, who in 2018 agreed to pay $20 million and step down as chairman to settle fraud charges. So short sellers are betting about $24 billion that Tesla shares will fall. Gordon Johnson said already a few weeks ago that he's betting Tesla is going to drop in 2021 and Tesla share price is going to hit $87. So I don't know how Tesla is going to. And then Tesla was trading above $2,000. So I don't know how Tesla was going to drop from $2,000 to $87. That guy is crazy. So among largest short levels on record for US companies in dollars, according to the S3 partners, Tesla short sellers are betting about $24 billion that the share price of Tesla is going to crash. Drop. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm trying to find the news from there was this, it's from Market Watch, and there's this Wedbush analyst, Daniel Ives. Where is he? All right. So according to Daniel, he says this S&P 500 inclusion now likely a done deal. That was in July after Tesla reported a profitable quarter in July. So Dan was very sure Tesla was going to be included like this. That was the done deal. That was the last nail, So when reached on Friday, Ives said the champagne was on ice to get into the S&P 500. It was baked into shares. So according to Dan, this was a bit of a shocker and the street assumed this was a foregone conclusion. Daniel said in an email to Market Watch, Tesla not getting into the S&P 500 club is a head scratcher and the stock will likely be down for the indexing implications. So guys, go and see my previous video. I shared a video yesterday about my technical view of Tesla. I didn't read this news before I made that video, so I think Daniel is up to something here. He's saying Tesla is going to, the share is going to drop. So Ives reiterated its neutral rating on Tesla shares in a note later on Friday. Only 22% of sell-side analysts tracked by FactSet consider Tesla a buy. Forget about all these analysts. So let's see what else he has to say. I think that is it. Tesla stock has added more than 31% since announcing second quarter earnings on the afternoon of July 22. 31%, guys, since July, August, September. Not even up to 2 months. Though, That performance that performance has declined last week. At the end of Monday's trading session, the stock had gained 56% since earnings. 56% since earnings. Shares have suffered this week in the wake of a stock split. The announcement of a plan to sell up to 5 billion in fresh shares and insider selling overall the electric car company's shares have still quintupled this year, pushing its market capitalization to 380 billion as of Friday's closing bell. Alright guys, in summary, what they are saying is Tesla is not added to the S&P 500 like we were all expecting. So we have to wait till I think this is done once per month. So Friday, if it was done on Friday, which was like 4th, I think next month we have to wait till the first week of next month again and see what the committee of S&P 500 are going to announce again. So like every month, once per month, they come together and they are selecting a company that will be added, like 3 companies, like they did this month, for example. They added 3 companies, XA, Teradyne, and CTLT, and they will also remove 3 companies, of course. So if they add 3 companies, they will remove 3 companies. So hopefully next month Tesla is going to make the list. But I mean, I'm not worried about that. This is just a normal news. This causes volatility on when you look at the monthly time frame, of course. So when you're betting like the next 5, 15, 20, 10 years, you don't have to worry about all this sort of news. Tesla don't need SP500. SP500 needs Tesla. That's my argument. So guys, that is it for today. If you are new on my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe, and please check out my previous videos. I shared a video yesterday about the technical analysis of Tesla, where I believe the price is going to, and I also shared a video about my visits to Giga Berlin, when Elon Musk was there. So guys, I'm your boy Dario, and this is Frontline.com. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.